Did you know that you could actually create a cinematic scene using a single prompt? Watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is OpenArt. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It has a ton of features that you could actually use, from images to characters to world to audio, and of course what we're going to do right now, we have the video. Now the one that I would like to turn your focus on would be their smart shot. So you head on over to their video and then click on smart shot, and it will actually take you to this part of the website. Now you could put in your simple prompt right here. So it's not, I mean, you don't really have to put in like paragraphs and paragraphs and paragraphs of very specific prompts, very precise prompts. So what I am actually prepared something for you for today. So let me just put it in here. So it's going to be a cinematic F1 racing wheel to wheel between the Mercedes and the Ferrari team. Final turn showing how close they are, and sparks under the F1 car. Now you could put in characters and objects here, but you don't actually need to. Okay, so if you also have prepared an environment, then you could also put it in here. But again, both of those are actually just optional. So I would highly suggest for the sheet quality, you could do medium, or you could also go to high. Okay, so let's just go for medium on this one. For the output, it's totally up to you. So you have the usual aspect ratios that you could actually check in here, and then the resolution goes from 480p to 1080p. So let's do 780 for this. You also can do 1080, okay? So it's totally up to you. But let's just do 720. And then for the duration, you could do from 4 seconds up to 15 seconds. And let us actually do the 15 seconds for this run of this example. So you have the cinematic F1 wheel to wheel between the Mercedes team and the Ferrari team. Final turn showing how close they are. Sparks under the F1 car. And let's do the preview sheet. I would highly suggest that you do the preview sheet first, because it will actually give you like a map, like something like this one. Okay, so let me show you this one that I actually generated earlier. So it's a picture of a boy that actually wants to be an aviator. So he actually was studying aviation, and he was actually practicing, and then finally he became the youngest ever aviator to fly the Airbus A380. So basically that is the storyline for the one that I created earlier. So this one that we will be generating is actually more interesting in my honest opinion. All right, so okay, so let us just let it generate its thing. Let's let it just do its thing. So it's just going to be just a few seconds to a few minutes, of course, depending on how long that clip would be, the quality, of course, the precision of like the prompts and all that. You have to take all of those into consideration. Now, while it's generating, guys, this one, what you believe it or not, guys, everything that you could think of, from lighting to color palette, as in a full storyboard, this smart shot is a genius. Oh my goodness, I can't stress it enough, guys. Even if you are new to cinematography, if you don't have any experience at all, this is beginner friendly. You could actually use this, all right? And you know, it's foolproof. And in my honest opinion, this is something that you gotta go ahead and try out. Okay, so now we already have this one. Look at that. Okay, so this is the Mercedes, this is the Ferrari. They're side to side, and I'm actually excited for this one already. Look at that. Okay, so you have so look at that. Okay, so you have the cut one, 40 millimeter anamorphic, 4 seconds track wide establishing the final turn dual. Okay, and then cut 2, cut 3. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to generate this one. Okay, so you have anamorphic, motorsport realism, macro insert, detail, compressed speed perspective, low angle racing immersion. Guys, I have never ever had a chance to, deal with something. Let me go ahead and generate that already because I'm super excited to see like the outcome of that one. So I mean, I have never had the chance to, see something like an AI video generator or an AI image generator that is super detailed, that it's actually going to give you this kind of, like story sheet, if I may, say that. Okay, so you have the storyboard. So you have the character plus hero, vehicle reference, the environment, the set design. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you have also the cranes and the cuts of the. Look at this one. I mean, guys, if you are like a director, right? You will put like the placements of the camera angles and all that. You have to prepare. You have a lot of like team that's doing this. This is actually hundreds of thousands, or even, I mean, I don't know if it's going to reach $1 million to produce like these kinds of shoot, but definitely this is going to involve thousands and thousands of dollars if you're gonna be like doing this manually, right? So we are just waiting for it to generate. Super excited for this one. Oh my goodness. So let's go ahead and just wait for it. All right, guys. So we already have it ready right now. So let's go ahead and watch this one real quick. Okay, so look at that. So let's do this again. Sorry. All right. So I'll turn on the sounds. Oh my goodness. Woo! Yeah. Oh my goodness. That is like 15 seconds of pure action, and oh my, I just waited for just a few minutes for it to get generated. Let me watch this again. Oh my gosh. Super awesome, guys. Again, before we generated that, we were actually able to check this one out first. And of course, we could actually do another, if you would like to edit the prompts and all that, you could do so here. All right, look at this. It actually did that prompt. And look at that. A floodlit Formula 1 final corner duel at dusk night transition and all that. It actually gave us that very specific prompt with just a one-liner that we did earlier. I mean, the one that I gave is just, very vague, right? But the one that it gave right here is exactly what I was thinking before I generated this one. And from this, I already have an idea. Okay, this is spot on. And then when I generated the video, I got blown away. My goodness, guys. Let's watch this again. This is like a movie. Believe me, guys. I mean, this is a must try, guys. Head on over to OpenArt. Link to this will be in the description of the video. This is superb. I have never had the chance to, finally have a chance to try an OpenArt, basically an AI tool that could generate that really good, and the storyboard and all that. Must try. Go ahead and check them out, guys. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And if you're new, this is your first, consider subscribing. I upload a lot of different videos daily, so you will not miss out on any of those. And I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.